for beautiful Greece. My name is Pavlos Vissariou. I am a director, actor, artist and member of the jury at the Gali International Film Festival. I have the honor and pleasure to announce the award-winning winners of the second season of the festival. As always, the work of the committee was very difficult, as it had to choose the best film based on perfection and theme regardless of the result. I want to congratulate all the cinematographers for the excellent work they did in their films. I start with the Best Short Film Awards. And the winners are Olivia Martinez, film name How It Is Now. M. Suresh, film name J.I. Ser. Lavra Maria Isabel Ruizo Cadiz, film name Misplace the Rabbits. Gabi Ramos, film name Pukon. Neha Lalani, film name Swan Song. Best Male Director, and the winners are Manmohan Makar, film name Avocando the Short Film. Carlos Costa, film name Aparente. Alejandro Cham, film name number 37. Philip Puch, film name The Maroon Jumper. Eric Bedrose, film name Killer Cravings. Best Documentary Film, Ralph Eisenberg, film name For Motherless Children. Finn Harbour, film name From Korea to Canada and Back Again. Calliope Barlis, film name Calliope's From Fear to Freedom. Aram Manukyan, film name Let Me. Ilir Kambasi, film name Survival and School. Best Actor and Actress, and the winners are Danny Hayden, film name The Dark Color. Maanya Varma, film name Boli. Rodrigo Alfonso, film name Healthy Mind in a Healthy Body. Vinita Venugopal, film name Zmrisha. Kalego Emmerich, film name Camille. Best Foreign Short, and the winners are Vaner Diazus, film name Eko Sumi. Sounduri Asif Zamankir Arko, film name Dur Alapon. Bilal Hussein, film name Jessica Part 2. Sivan Maker, film name Pastis. Sehaki Kamal. Film name Adudiv. Best Future Film. And the winners are Sanoj Misra. Film name Kasi to Kashmir. Yves Matthew. Film name Vet Donks. Ricardo Catalan. Jr. Film name Karma the Movie. Derek J. Brask. Film name The King. Vinod Sam Peter. Film name Puglia. Thank you very much. Congratulations to all filmmakers.